Hello everyone, this is Apurva Malani, your VMAT mentor from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. Today our topic for VMAT is number test. In these type of questions, generally you are given a long series of numbers. For example, I have given a random series of numbers here for you to show how any numbers without any logic are given to you in the question. You are required to find out how many times a number satisfying the condition. Any condition according to the question will be given to you, and how many times the question is satisfying that condition. You have to count the number of times and answer the question accordingly. We'll take a few examples. Now, before taking the examples, I'll tell you the terms that will be used very frequently for these type of questions. First is x is preceded by y. If a question is asking something saying preceded by y, means that number, the number y will come before the given number. X is preceded by y means y is before x. This will be the sequence. If the question says x precedes y, it means x will come first and then y will come, as in x is preceding y. Now, if the question says x is followed by y, this means x will come first and y will be the second number. Y is following x. If it says x follows y, it means x is the number that is coming behind and y is the first number. X is following y. X follows y or x is following y means y will come first and then second number will be x. Now you can write it, practice it, or you can say these aloud to get a feel of these terms. These are very important terms that are used in these type of questions. Don't get this wrong, otherwise you'll get the whole question wrong. So first learn these terms before you solve any of the questions. Now, the next terms that will be used in the questions are x is succeeded by y, which means x will come first and y will be the second term, as in x is being succeeded by y is the second term. Now, next is x succeeds y, which means x will come in the last. First term will be y, second term will be x. As you can see, succeeded and followed can be used interchangeably. You can see the meanings are same for both. Wherever succeeded by or followed by comes, the meaning is same. Wherever succeeds and follows come, the meaning is same. Our first example question will be, the question says how many 5s are there in the following sequence which are immediately followed by 3 but not immediately preceded by 7, and we are given a sequence. Now, this is the sequence that is given in the question. We want a pattern that looks somewhat like this. We are being asked the number of 5s. We have to count the number of 5s that are there which are immediately followed by 3, as in we want 5s after which directly 3 will come. 5 and 3 is the sequence but not immediately preceded by 7. So we don't want 7 just before 5. So what pattern do I look for in the series? No 7, 5 and 3. Let us look how many such patterns, how many such sequences are there. Now in this series, first I am painting those numbers, those sequences in yellow box. In yellow box you can see first number is 9, second is 5 and 3. We want the last two numbers and 5 and 3, and the first number should not be 7. This is what the yellow box will denote. Our next 2, 5, 3 series is again painted in given in yellow box. Now our next 5, again another 5. These two 5 don't follow the given condition, so we'll leave these 5s. Next, again this 5 is not following the condition. Next 7, 5, 3. I am making a red box here because I don't want this condition. I was given in the question we don't want 7 before the 5. Therefore I am discarding this sequence and I am marking it as red box. Now next one is 6, 5 and 3. Again it is following the condition that is given to us. Now I have to count how many such 5s are there. I have 3 yellow boxes, as in I have 3 such conditions, 3 such 5s that are following the situation that is given to us in the question. In the next question, we are being asked how many even numbers are there in the following sequence of the numbers, which are immediately followed by an odd number and immediately preceded by an even number. Let's see, we are given a sequence in the question. Now we want our pattern that looks somewhat like this. Even number is in the center. We want to count the number of even numbers. Therefore, I am taking even number as the center, as the main focal point of our condition. And to the right, as in the number following should be what? Odd number. And to the left, the preceding number is what? Immediately preceded by even. Therefore, the number just before it should be even number. Now we want a condition that looks somewhat like this: even number, and then an odd number, even, odd. Let's see. In this series, I've marked all the even numbers in red so that it is easier for you to look at the numbers, the even numbers. Now first even number is 8. Before it you don't have any even number, so directly it will be discarded. Now second even number is 6. After it I am getting odd, before it even, therefore it satisfies the situation. I am circling the even number that is satisfying this condition that is given to us. Now let us take, I am just saying the even numbers that are there. 6 doesn't follow the condition. Next 8 follows the condition. Next even number 2 doesn't follow the condition. 4 doesn't follow the condition. Next even number 2 doesn't follow the condition. Second 2 is following the condition. It has an even number before it and odd number after it. Next even number 2 doesn't follow the condition. Next 2 doesn't follow. 8 follows the condition. So I am circling the numbers that are following the condition. I have 4 such circles. Therefore I have 4 such even numbers that are following the situation that is given to us in the question. Therefore the answer to this question will be, there are 4 such even numbers. Now I am taking the next question. The question says how many pairs of successive numbers have a difference of 2 each. Here I am not concerned about the preceding or following numbers, just the difference between two numbers. Let us see, this is the series that is given to us. We want the pattern to have adjacent numbers difference as 2. Now let's see, I'll make a box again like I did in the first question. 6 and 4, the difference is 2. I'm marking the such patterns using boxes that have difference of 2. Next will be 4 and 2. You can check the numbers in between. You will not see any number that has the difference of 2 in their adjacent number. Now next sequence will be 5 and 3. Next 6 and 4. Now here you can see after 8 and 6, 8 and 6 is including 6, and the next sequence will include 6 and 4. These are two different patterns. You will have to count these things twice. Both 6 is coming in both the yellow as well as the orange box. Both the numbers, both of the pairs will be counted separately. Next is 1 and 3. And again I have 8 and 6. These many pairs I have which have the difference in their adjacent numbers as 2. How many pairs, such pairs are there? 7. I am counting the yellow and the orange box separately because they are different pairs. The same number may be counted twice, it doesn't matter. I have two different pairs, so they will be counted as two pairs only. Now in our next question, it says how many 8s are there in the following number series which are exactly divisible by its immediately preceding and also divisible by its immediately succeeding numbers. Now to understand this question, we want the center number as 8. How many 8s are there? We'll start from there. We want the pattern to look somewhat like this, right? The center number should be 8. The preceding and the successive numbers, preceding as in the number that comes before it, successive numbers as in the numbers that come after it. This is what the language is saying. So the number before it should be divisible by it 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the numbers that can divide 8, and similarly also divisible by immediately succeeding numbers. So the successive numbers should be also either 1, 2, 4 or 8. Only these four numbers can divide 8. Now let's see these four single digit numbers. We are looking for single digit numbers. Don't make them as a pair of numbers. Now this is the pattern. I have marked all the 8s that are there in the question. All the 8s you can see are marked red. I'll make a box wherever this pattern is being followed. First 2, 4, 8. Here the preceding number and succeeding number 2 and 4 both divide the number 8. Next 4, 8, 4. Again two different 8s are there. Same condition like we did in the previous question. Here also we'll count both the 8s. Next 2, 8, 2. 2 is divisible. 2 divides 8. 2. Now the next will be 2, 8, 4. Again 2 and 4 both divides 8. So how many such pairs I have? How many such 8s I have? I have 4 8s which are satisfying the condition. That is all for this topic. If you have any problem, any doubts, do mention it in the comment section below. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.